So next I'm going to talk about IP or Internet Protocol. IP is the set of guidelines for routing and addressing packets of data, which assist data to travel to the intended destinations. Which when data is traveling through network, it is segmented uh, into smaller pieces, which is also known as packets. So basic function of IP is addressing host interfaces and their data uh, is being encrypted into packets. So each packet consists of IP header and payload. So in IP header, it is consists of source and destination IP addresses and other metadata, which is needed to route and deliver the packets. Whereas the payload is the uh, data which is being transported. When allocating IP addresses, uh, the address space is divided into subnetworks involving designation of network prefixes. So accordingly, Internet Protocol, the basic idea of it is the main protocol that computers use to communicate with each other, and each devices that are connected to Internet has a unique address. Like every house uh, has an address. So every house in the city has an address. So similarly, each device that are connected to internet or network has a unique IP address. So basically, there are two versions of IP addresses. So one is IPv4, which is the dominant protocol of the internet, and the other one is IPv6, which has actually reached 20% of internet traffic, despite of IPv4 being the dominant protocol in the internet. Let's move on to Wireshark IP addresses. Or in so I remove this field out and put IP dot addr, which is IP address, equal. Then I'm just gonna put my DNS IP. So 8.1 and press enter. I can see all the traffic which are coming in or out from 8.1, which is my DNS. So you can actually see what are the DNS entries which are showing up. So in this one, similarly, you can actually see the frame number and how many bytes are there and how many bytes have been captured, all those details, and also the time to live and protocol, since it's DNS, and it just it's gonna query a DNS, so it's gonna use the UDP port protocol. Sorry, and the length of it, and so basically we can actually check for my IP address, my laptop's IP address. So when you do that, then you can actually see the connection, the traffic happening in and out from my laptop. So when you get this, which is actually, you can actually see there's a sequence number, there's acknowledgement number is there, since it's TCP. So and the length, everything is there because it's TCP, and you can actually see that there's something um, so you can actually see that it's quite easy. So let's do another quick filter. So sort of IP address, I'm going to do a source. So it's going to filter out all the traffic which is originating from my laptop. So SRC. So when you do that, you can actually see the all the traffic which is originating from mine, which is my laptop is the source now. So you can actually see all the traffic which have been generated from my laptop to different destinations. So similarly, you can actually see the segment and all that details, more details on this in here. And when you click on, when you actually the other one is since we did the source, I'm gonna do DST, which is the destination. So this means from different sources, the traffic coming towards my laptop is going to show up in here. So 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 with the acknowledgement and sequence numbers, so everything's going to come up here as well. So basically, this is how you do a quick analyzing from Wireshark. Thank you.